Today we're gonna be doing an inspired look by Cassie. This is a picture. I just saw this picture and I had to do it. I had to recreate that look. So if y'all like this look, keep watching.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. And you make me feel like a rebel, but I will not give you a reason to destroy me more and more again and again.
Alright, well this is the finished look, guys. I hope y'all like it. This was inspired again by Cassie. I really hope y'all like this tutorial.
This is my first time actually doing this, so there was like a lot of fallout, there was a lot of things, but it came out good. And I saw it on her Instagram, it gave me life. So I was like, let's do this.
Everybody, thank you for watching. Please subscribe underneath if you haven't subscribed yet. Click the bell
to get notifications on when I do a new YouTube video. So stay tuned, guys. There's more to come. If y'all have any suggestions about new videos that you want me to do, please let me know. My page on Facebook is linked right here.
You can always give me suggestions through there, or you can give me suggestions on the comments below.
So I really hope y'all give me some suggestions. That would be a lot of help, and that way I can do looks that y'all want to see.
Well, thank you so much.
If y'all like this video,
give it a big thumbs up, and I will see y'all next time.
I'm gonna about to YouTube life hacks.
Yes, Rona.
We're gonna pray. No sé ni cómo quitarme, like I want to be so careful right now and like not ruin this at all. No.
No.